STEM stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is STEM Incorporated stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space having done 43,000 videos over 5 years. So I've documented everything, you know, I've seen what's printing and what's not. And generally, just first glance here, absolutely pumped up. I just never got an opportunity to take advantage of this pump though. So how will this look like? Well, I'll get rid of this. This right here is my demand. So how this will look like is if the price pulls down and does give me that shift and a double break, then I'm obviously going to look to further take things higher. But what I'm not going to do though is randomly start buying here, you know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime is just obviously waiting for rules to be met. But if they're not met, I'm just not buying. Very simple. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free. And I do have quite a bit of receipts here. This go with 7 results. That's it. Goodbye and enjoy.